आप क्या कहोगे?
Making India, we all need to understand that making India is not about protectionism. It's about being a part of the globalized economy. We have to think in terms of global scale because we are progressing towards a world across countries, across boundaries, and we need to do that. And if India has a certain vision and it wants to make their mark on a global scale, you have to think in terms of such great size and scale. So it's important. One of the subtle observations is
दो
that
रेमेडीज बताइए सर, स्किल डेवलपमेंट में हम क्या कर सकते हैं which will help us to make this dream possible?
At first, we have to go for the education development, in which Modi ji is not focusing. 1 minute, let me complete. We have started Kal Shiksha Abhiyan. We have funded 27,758 crores, and he has reduced it to 22,000 crores. What is this? I want the answer from Mr. Modi that why you reduced the funding for Shiksha Abhiyan. Don't you think that education is the most important basic
तो इनका कहना है कि सर्व
for
शिक्षा अभियान में जो पैसा खर्च हो रहा है, इन्वेस्ट हो रहा है, उसकी मात्रा कम हो गई है। उसमें आपका एक कमेंट क्या कहना है बिफोर वी कन्वर्ट टू अवर इन्वेस्टमेंट?
Exactly, it's not like that. सर्व शिक्षा अभियान ही सिर्फ काफी नहीं था और जैसा कि उन्होंने कहा कि वो कम कर दी गई है जिस मात्रा पे, actually it's I hope she need to revise her figure that exactly it was or not. And we very precise that we need to be. हमें साक्षर होने की जरूरत नहीं है, शिक्षित होने की जरूरत है. And India अगर कोई
for the education of the people, but not for the literacy.
Exactly. We are working. Government has initiated Skill India program under which it is planned to skill 22
Please talk
lakhs
about the
people.
implementation, not about your launching.
It has been launched.
Sir, I want to ask 2 questions related to this.
शिक्षा की बात वो लालू जी कर रहे हैं जिनके बिहार की मुख्यमंत्री जो थी क्या थी?
नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने PhD पास करके प्रधानमंत्री का पोस्ट लिया है।
It's not about the education policy.
I have to ask 2 questions. After that, you will continue. First question is, in Indian GDP, if you will say 13% are equipped with the agriculture field and 56% are equipped with the service providing industries. So mainly the whatever CEO are sitting here, they are mainly the companies who are the service provider or outsourcing company. So is it possible that you will develop? Is it Make in India true where all the companies existing in India are outsourcing company? They are supplying services to the other company. How could that be possible?
I need to add something. These companies are well established companies. Of course, this bring most of the revenue. I'll be speaking economically. They'll be bringing most of the revenue. But at this point of time, we are supposed to make the fact. The fact is, we should support entrepreneurs. We should support entrepreneurs. India should be a place healthy for entrepreneurs. Like Indian entrepreneurs like Flipkart. They don't have headquarters here. They have headquarters in Singapore. Why? Policies. These policies are very tough. To work in India is very tough.
The policies are going in India is like state-wise also, and central obligations are there. I don't think there is a need of state obligations and regulations as well as the central obligation regarding manufacturing sector. It will help to evaluate.
That state and center coordination is very much required. Who knows it better than?
In outside countries, in developed countries, in some manufacturing sectors, it is not mandatory that where you have straight regulatory policies in some manufacturing equipments, central regulatory policies also be implemented.
Okay.
That makes delay.
Okay, briefing it through. When I joined Infosys last year, and when I was designated at this position of CEO and MD, I was seeking through the Indian an opportunity where youngsters were feeding in with a good corporate sector. But due to economical instability, people were changing their companies. The basic reason we went through the R&D team was that startups and basically you can say the base that we are getting, what a person wants to do, he wants to earn more and more. Similarly, the company is going through and breathing along at the higher position, but along they have to take their employees to that particular level so that they can teach some other 1,000 employees to that.